Now it's time to complete the work order. John Smith searches for the location of B15. John reviews the issue and verifies the work order. Now it's time to determine if there is a leak, and if so, where it is. John deploys a correlator to determine if a leak in fact does exist. The correlation indicates a leak, and it is in between H114 and H115. They then excavate the leak and repair it. After the repair, John selects the P2 CLE drive pipe icon and creates a leak repair activity. The leak is estimated at 10 gallons per minute. The leak found was a leaking joint. John makes note of the repair date and then adds a photo of the leak. John then opens the work order to the activity and returns to the pipe screen to open the work order and close it. The leak activity automatically places a leak icon on the map. The leak icon is selected and moved to the actual leak location. The work order now completed is reviewed by selecting the Options menu, then Browse and Work Orders. We select Work Order W37 and see that it is closed. We can select the leak activity to see the leak report. We can select the correlator deployment to review the correlation. We have a well-documented trail of work activity and a closed work order.